Hello everyone, welcome back to CraftLoaded. Today, I'll show you how to build this DIY Cardboard EOTech EXPS3-2 and G43 Magnifier combo, complete with optional Unity fast riser mounts. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you some of its features. This build features a realistic EOTech EXPS3-2 holographic sight, paired with a flip-to-side G43 magnifier. The magnifier can be flipped open and closed just like the real one, giving you a more realistic setup. The EXPS3-2 also includes a detailed optic window with a realistic reticle design for those who prefer a higher optic setup. This build also includes optional Unity fast riser mounts for both the EXPS3-2 and the G43 magnifier, allowing you to customize the configuration just like the real setup. Before the tutorial, make sure to download the printable A4 templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. EOTech EXPS3-2 section. Step 1. Prepare template number 1 and a cardboard strip 3.5 cm wide. Step 2. Assemble the parts as shown in the video. Step 3. Prepare templates number 2 and number 3. Step 4. Glue template number 2 first, followed by template number 3, then attach them to the side of the body. Step 5. Prepare templates number 4, number 5, and number 6. Step 6. Assemble these parts as shown in the video, then attach them to the opposite side of the body. Step 7. Prepare template number 7 and a 3.4 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 8. Assemble the parts and attach them to the top to form the reticle housing. Step 9. Glue template number 8 onto one side of the body. Step 10. Attach template number 9 to the opposite side of the body. Step 11. Prepare template No. 10 and assemble it to create the rail clamp. Step 12. Glue template number 11 onto template number 10. Step 13. Attach the completed assembly to the bottom of the optic body. Step 14. Prepare template number 12 and a 1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 15. Use these parts to add details to both sides of the rail clamp. Step 16. Attach templates number 13 and No. 14 underneath one side of the optic, as shown in the video. Step 17. Glue template number 16 to the side of template number 15. Step 18. Attach template No. 17 on top of template number 14. Step 19. Glue a small cardboard piece behind template number 16 to add detail. Step 20. Assemble template No. 18. Then attach two of these parts to the bottom, as shown in the video. Step 21. Prepare the top cover using templates number 19 and number 20. Step 22. Glue template number 19 underneath template number 20. Step 23. Attach the completed top cover to the optic body, then carefully bend it to match the shape shown in the video. Step 24. Attach two copies of template number 21 to one side. Step 25. Attach one copy of template No. 21 to the opposite side. Then glue two copies of template number 22 underneath. Step 26. Attach template number 23 to the rear of the optic. Step 27. Prepare a piece of clear plastic sheet and draw the reticle pattern as shown in the template. Step 28. Install the clear plastic reticle into the upper window of the EOTech EXPS3-2 G43 Magnifier section. Step 30. Prepare a paper tube measuring 7.5 cm in length and 3 cm in diameter. Step 31. Prepare templates number 24, No. 25, and number 26. Step 32. Attach these parts to the bottom of the paper tube. Step 33. Glue small cardboard pieces onto all four sides of the paper tube. Step 34. Attach template No. 27 and wrap it around the paper tube as shown in the video. Step 35. Attach two copies of template No. 28 to each side of the magnifier, above template number 27, to create the side details. Step 36. Prepare another template No. 28, a 5 mm wide cardboard strip, and several small cardboard pieces. Step 37. Assemble these parts and attach them to the side and top of the magnifier as shown in the video. Step 38. Wrap a strip of paper around the rear end of the magnifier to create the rear housing detail. Step 39. Prepare templates number 30, number 31, and number 32. Step 40. Assemble these parts as shown in the video. Step 41. Attach template number 33 underneath the assembly. Step 42. Prepare the remaining templates and several small cardboard pieces as shown in the video. Step 43. Assemble and shape the parts according to the video. Step 44. Attach template number 37 to the side of the mounting assembly. Step 45. Prepare a paper tube and several small cardboard pieces. Step 46. Install the paper tube onto the side of the magnifier mount, then insert the completed assembly into the bottom of the magnifier. Step 47. Insert the magnifier assembly into the Picatinny rail, mount and secure it with a bamboo skewer pin. Your DIY cardboard G43 magnifier is now complete and ready to be installed on your rifle. Unity Fast Riser section. Step 48. Prepare template number 37, pre-bent to match the Picatinny rail, along with template No. 38 and a 1.1 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 49. Assemble the parts as shown in the video. Step 50. Prepare 2 copies of template No. 39 and several thin cardboard strips. Step 51. Attach these parts to both sides of the riser to create the side details. Step 52. Install a Picatinny rail on top of the riser. The complete tutorial is available in my YouTube shorts, or you can find the link in the video description. Step 53. Prepare template No. 40. Shape to fit the Picatinny rail, along with 2 copies of template number 41, template number 42, and a 3.3 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 54. Assemble and shape these parts as shown in the video. Step 55. Prepare templates number 43 and number 44, along with a 1.8 cm wide cardboard strip. Step 56. Assemble the parts as demonstrated in the video. Step 57. Prepare templates number 30, number 31, and number 32 once again. Step 58. Assemble these parts following the instructions shown in the video. Step 59. Attach the completed assembly to the Unity mount arm. Step 60. Finally, slide the G43 magnifier you built earlier into the Unity Fast Magnifier mount until it is securely locked in place. Congratulations! Your DIY Cardboard EOTech EXPS3-2 G43 Magnifier and Unity Fast Riser are now complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more realistic cardboard builds. Feel free to leave your questions, suggestions, or ideas for future projects in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.